Welcome to Emily's Kitchen. Today, I will share with you how to cook a dessert. It's called Bibingka, using our electric skillet of salad masser in just less than 40 minutes. Okay, so here's our ingredients. We have glutinous rice flour, we have coconut milk, egg, butter, shredded young coconut, and oil. Skillet is already preheated in 450 degrees Fahrenheit. So now we have to put our banana leaf. So you have to be careful, it's hot. Don't burn yourself. Then now put the lid on, and we have to set the temperature into 380, and we have to put the time in 19 minutes. So 19 minutes we have to flip. And the minutes is done, so now we have to put our salted egg and then the cheese at the top, then before we're gonna flip it. So as you can see, it's almost done. So we're just gonna layer this cheese. Guys, oh my god, oh la la, look at our Bibingka. Look at our Bibingka. Thank you guys for watching on my video today. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Thank you.